And myself, Sandy Manager, me Parvati Vinod, Today, our group members make a vacuum cleaner. It is very useful to us. It gives a immense pleasure to me to make this, and using this, we can pull out all dust particles from the floor and other surfaces. So, to make this vacuum cleaner, we only use some cheap products like cardboard, PC motor, board film, chart, battery, etc. So we are very happy to get this wonderful chance also, and it is very tough also because we only get some time. We try our best to make it, and thank you and have a nice day.